What's going on, guys? Welcome back. Gilbert Abraham here. And guess what? Since we're moving toward the middle of the year, I can't believe it's already the middle of the year. We're gonna start doing something a little bit different, right? Which is kind of like a series where we talk about different businesses. And since people seem to love that type of content, so we're gonna talk about how I build series, right? So today we're gonna talk about how I build a restoration company this year, right? Without hiring more office staff, meaning people that are actually in the office. So if you know anybody that own a restoration, water damage company, or thinking about starting one, or maybe just purchase a franchise and trying to figure out how to automate this whole process, I think this video is a good starting point because first thing first, we're gonna leverage AI to build out a lot of things, okay? Because when you're looking at a business, you're thinking of a couple things, right? Especially if you're just getting the ball rolling, you're thinking marketing. I'm gonna unbold this. Right? We're thinking sales, we're thinking operation, we're thinking customer support, right? We're thinking HR, we're thinking finance, right? We're thinking admin. So today we're going to really focus on the one thing, right? Which is just the marketing side. So if you have a, restoration company or you know somebody that does that can benefit from it, we're going to talk about how do we automate some of the marketing using tools like AI, right? So to do that, what I like to do is keep it super simple. I'm going to use AI to give us prompts because to me, AI is the best tool, give you the best prompt that you need. All right. So there's a specific AI tool that I love to use called GHL. Inside there right now. And in there, we can basically ask it to build out a prompt for us. So I'm gonna pull this and I'm keeping this super simple, guys. I can go deeper, but I want to make sure everybody get the concept and the premise on what we're doing here so that it actually makes sense for them, right? So as you can see in the box, I'm gonna literally say, write me a prompt that will allow me to automate the marketing, starting with the website or landing page for a restoration company. And here is what I'm looking to do, right? Boom. And let's make it where the restoration company is able to generate more sales, more jobs, and high quality jobs based on this structure. So when a client call or find us online, they can easily book the job even if they don't speak to anyone. All right, as you see, it's not the best thing, but I'm asking the system to build me the prompt. And the reason I do that is because I want us to have a master prompt, right? Something that can really, really set us apart from everybody else. Okay, as you can see, it's building it out. It's giving us every detail that we need here, which we're gonna go over really quickly. Right? It's given them into phases, which is huge. So it's really going crazy right now. It's helping us with the sales pipeline. It's giving it to us by phases. So we're gonna go through these phases one by one to get a good feel for it, and then we're gonna break it down by phases, right? Even talking about reputation and review, which is massive. So I can literally take this one prompt and turn it into the whole operating system to really get the business going. So let's dive right in. As you can see, this is being built in real life, right? using high level, which is one of my favorite tools to do this. Okay. Build a company that runs like a machine where every lead that finds you online or calls in go from stranger to book job, paid invoice without a single staff member touching it manually. Ooh, this is good. Phase one, it gave us the prompts to use right there. Build a high converting landing page for a restoration company that handles water damage, fire, above the fold, bold emergency headline, right? I'm in Atlanta, hence why it says Atlanta. Trust signal, license badges, insurance logo. And this is where you will add some of your own logos and insurances and make sure that everything is legit, right? Then each service, water, fire, has its own card with a short description, instant quote form. So this is how we grab that, right? And then live chat connected to an AI bot that can qualify the leads, answer FAQs, and then 24/7 emergency banner. Emergency, we answer 24/7. Oh, that's smart. Then think of that. And then SEO so that more people are able to find this quickly. As you know, this is a very heavy call-based business. So if somebody call after hours and they're not able to get somebody on the phone, they're gone, right? So my suggestion here is to have a combination of leveraging AI, but also have a human in the back end, which we have a whole team that we can provide to kind of handle some of these situations, right? Because these are not easy situations. They can be super heavy. It could be a lot going on at one time, especially when it's an emergency. So we're gonna go grab and just say, okay, focus on phase one and go deeper. There we go. There we go. All right. So now it's making the magic happen. Okay. So it goes deeper. It really kind of dive deep, right? This is what I want. So now I'm able to take that information and I can go and build. I can build the first thing on there, right? So that's how powerful this can be. And remind you, this is just kind of like a demo to show you guys what's possible. Use your own details, use your own information to make it make this more valuable to you, right? So if you have a restoration water damage company and you're trying to figure out what to do, here it is. Here it is. This give you some ideas. And if you don't want to do this, we actually have a team internally that can do this whole thing for you. But if you a little bit techie and you have a weekend and you want to rock and roll with this, you're welcome to just take part to make it happen, right? As you can see here, how it works, it just build the whole thing out. So that's what we call a really good prompt, right? This is what we call a really good prompt. And I would never be able to think of something like this, right? Most of us won't, but the AI can. Let the AI itself, right? Look at that. This is phenomenal. Let's see. And then there is another tool here called AI Studio that we're gonna use to kind of build this out. Like when you have the prompt, all right, this is so much. Boom, let's copy that. Then we're gonna go to AI Studio right here, right? This is where we do what's called vibe coding. Vibe coding is when you let the machine do what the machine do best, right? Let me take that part out. And then it has everything here that we were talked about, all the steps, right? You'll be able to make changes, but first, this is kind of like see it as the first draft and let the magic happen. So you don't need to be a developer to do this. You just tell the AI to be your developer. That's the power of this platform that a lot of people don't realize how you can use these tools to let the AI really help you take it to the next level. If you're wondering where do you find this GHL tool, I've dropped the link in the comment and in my description below that you can click and sign up. You get a 30-day free trial for using this. So take advantage, you know. So you spend the next 30 days building it out yourself, or if you don't have the time or it's overwhelming or you don't want to deal with it, our team can do it for you. We have experts on staff that can handle this. We also have other talent that can handle the phone in the back. So you're not just using AI, but you have humans as well, because the human component to me is very important to really make this work the way it should, right? So as it's taking its time to build out, it's probably gonna take a little bit. It's not gonna happen right away, right? Because it's right now it's exploring the ideas and then it's gonna go step by step. So I like to let it do its thing. Right? I like to let it do its thing, and then I like to watch and maybe go get a coffee or drink some tea, or I don't drink coffee, I really drink tea. So um and let it work, right? Now it's setting things up, right? It's gonna set up in each stages, as you see here. Start with the SEO and design, and the reason for that because you want to have the right keywords in the back end. So if somebody's doing a search on Google or search on AI, they can find you. You know what I mean? And then it's gonna build the hero and core section. And then it's gonna build out the services and the booking form. This is where people will fill it out. That's where the automation will start, right? Then the trust factor, and it's gonna put everything together for us. So the way I see this is that it's kind of like your developer helper, you may call it, right? So if you want to have something ready to rock and roll that you can publish and use and grow your business, and you don't have a massive budget of 15, $20,000, you could start there. You know what I mean? To have something that you can use. And you can always improve as you grow your company, as you grow the business. This is what I think is a good starting point for every small business owners. And as you start generating revenue, you can keep improving the process, right? You keep improving what you're doing because that's where the value truly lies, is improving the work, right? You start good, then you get better, then you become best, and then you become phenomenal, right? So that's the part that a lot of people um, you know, don't see, and that's the part that makes sense. That's the part that works. That's the work, guys. That's the work that people have to do. So I'm gonna let this thing run for a little bit, and then I'm gonna come back to it once it's ready to do a final quick demo, so you guys can take it and move on with the next step.